Hey clouds, what's up, and welcome back to my daily vlog series for November. I hope you guys are enjoying this, and no worries if this is your first vlog, you're just hopping in this November series. You don't have to keep up in a certain order, but I definitely recommend you guys go check out the rest of the vlogs for this series after you watch this video. So today's video is vlog day 14, and I figured I would just do this intro because normally I start my vlogs from the morning and I like look all crazy, but today I have makeup and my hair kind of did, so I figured I would just make a little cute intro and roll with it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Grab a snack and a drink because we have a lot to do today. Right now I am just ending on dinner, and yes, I'm gonna show you guys how I cook my favorite go-to dinner, which is just steak, asparagus, and mashed potatoes. So let's get started. Mason thinks he's funny with his little list, but yeah, he's right. I do gotta clean this stuff, so we get to cleaning. Just gotta clean the office, organize the downstairs closet, and then clean up our bedroom and finish our laundry. Yay, vlog 15? 15. Okay, so this is the downstairs closet that I literally just shoved anything and everything in, so. So I'm starting off just going through and like cleaning the closet out so I can organize it better. The first thing I showed you guys was our stain for our concrete countertops, and then the sunglasses normally just go on that little side table right there. And then yeah, I do put my cleaning stuff. I don't know what my light was doing in there, but hey. And that box was like a box full of shoes, so yeah, we have some organizing to do. Oh, and I also noticed that there was a spider web, and Mama does not like spiders, so we got rid of them. And now we are all done. All I have to do is take all of this mess upstairs, and oh, I don't know what that is, but yeah, we are taking all this up and good to go. I hope you guys are enjoying the November daily vlog series. Today I am actually all glammed up, and I am doing I spaced out for a minute, an Ariana Grande video where I'm trying to dress like her or like similar to her outfits. This is day 1. I thought this Fashion Nova skirt was a dress, so we're gonna make it work, but yeah. I put on these heels and then this necklace and gonna get to work. So yeah, I'm gonna film that and also include this in the Ariana Grande vlog that I'm making with this. So yeah. Again, I messed up. I really need to start paying attention to stuff because I thought it's a really cute skirt, but I just thought it was a dress. So yeah, oopsie. I am wearing my SKY Beauty Co. lipstick in the shade Sky. Perfect. So yeah, let's go get started. Just ignore the string. I have you guys set up on my blinds. I hope it stays. But yeah, I'm gonna use this blank backdrop as, you can't even see, as the background for this photo. And then, let me see if I can, yeah, you can't see, but yeah, it's just basically gonna be like this. Yeah, because she's not really looking at the camera, and then these balloons, you can't see the balloons, but there's balloons on the floor. So it'll kind of be like a concert scene. Whoa. So yeah, I'm gonna take some pictures and then see you later. I'm back, and I literally live in like comfy clothes. If you've ever been to Canton, Texas, go to the Kick and Mule. I have like 3 of these t-shirts just because we used to go there a lot. But yeah, I'm preparing dinner. You know, you guys have always seen us do lunch or breakfast, so dinner time. We're gonna have some steak, mashed potatoes, and asparagus. I got the steak in the sink defrosting. I'm gonna grab the asparagus out of the fridge. Wash these off really quick here. Potatoes. 4 potatoes. I'm just gonna rinse them off and then peel them. One potato down. 2. Basically for the potatoes, we're just gonna boil them. I'm just gonna cut them up so they're easier to boil. They boil quicker. Just scooch you guys forward. Right there should be good, right? Should be good. Okay, I feel like I need a little, oh, Now it's official, I'm just missing a hat and a whistle. There we go. What was I thinking not having this on? I'm corny. But this is cute, right? My Nina got this for me. Okay. Okay, yeah, anytime you guys see my Instagram or anything and you always see like I'm all dressed up, but really I throw those clothes on and I hit the dough and then come back and change into like something like this. Now I'm gonna get a pot to mash them in. I just need like a small little pot. About like halfway. Okay, we're gonna get the asparagus and I'm just going to chop the ends off of the asparagus. Be gone. You can eat that part of the asparagus, I'm pretty sure, but it's like chewy. So I've got this little pan, olive oil. Then put the asparagus in next. Don't miss the olive oil on the bottom. More olive oil on the top. Salt and pepper. Mix them around in olive oil first. Okay, a little bit of salt. Now a little bit of pepper. Pepper, so I need a little more. Now I'm going to do a tad bit of garlic salt. Then I'm going to actually put some garlic in there. Garlic. I use a lot of garlic when I cook, so I always have it around. Okay, so I'm gonna do 2 big cloves for the asparagus and save some for this steak. Got this garlic press, so it's really nice and makes it really easy. Alright, you cannot play with the pomegranates. Should wrap some. I gotta try this one because it keeps coming undone and I can't control it. I might make some bacon just to add on top. I'll just do 2 strips and then I'll crunch it when it's done. That way it can soak up the flavor and then just give it like homemade bacon bits. Oh no, this spilled everywhere. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna turn the heat up on this and then put these in there so I can make some room for the steak. Mashed potatoes are like really easy. You just gotta let them in there and chill. Add some chili powder to make it a little spicy. Maybe not chili powder. I'm also gonna put this on the steak too, just a little bit. There we go. Should have checked the steak first. It's literally still frozen solid, so I'm gonna wait like 30 minutes and then get back to it. Basically, all I have to do is pop this in the oven, finish the mashed potatoes, and season the steaks, put them on the pan for like 2 minutes on each side, and then pop them in the oven. So it's not gonna take too long. Just always waiting for the meat to defrost, and that's actually my bad because I waited until like 1 o'clock to defrost it, and these are thick Angus T-bone steaks. So yeah, see you when they're done defrosting. You said turn the camera on. Nope, the camera's on. Mason's making the steaks. And don't get camera shy. gonna use this pan? Are you gonna do the steaks in the oven and stuff? I know, but you're gonna use this pan?
Those be used at the searing.
Yeah. Oh, what? Now you're being all shy because the camera's out? Ah!
Just clean enough? Yes.
It has bacon bits on it, so it'll be
Oh, good. It's gonna have
tasty.
wonderful flavor.
Okay, so this was a lot of footage. I figured I would just speed it up. Basically, I am just draining the potatoes. And what you do whenever you're draining potatoes is you want to put some ice in your sink and also just run the water on cold, just because when that water is really hot, it can really damage your pipes. Good pro cooking tip. And then next, I just added some butter and milk and then mix that up with some salt, pepper, and garlic salt. Now, this is a really pro tip. Add some cheese to your potatoes and they'll melt. I like to add a lot of cheese, so don't be shy on that cheese, girl. What is that? Oh, the yellow kiwi. So good. Kim from Coolidge told me about these yellow kiwis. They're really good. Well, do you need it to?
What?
Wow. I'm gonna upload in 10K or 4K. Why?
Will it upload in 1080 yet?
Nope, it won't upload in 380.
It's 10 something? That's high quality.
No, it won't upload in that. Right now it's 360.
It's not even 720.
Why? I filmed in like 3K or in 10 or 4, whatever.
It's not.
What's this on there? It uploaded. Oh, I ate the last yellow kiwi. You didn't get the ends. Somehow it already has 3 views. It was on private, but it just got posted. Alright, you think the asparagus look good?
Grab them. See if it's soft.
See if they're what?
They're soft.
No, maybe a little longer.
Yeah, a little.
So what, we're just waiting on the steak and the asparagus? Can do that on camera. So now I'm just taking the bacon that I cook with asparagus and chopping them up. As I said, I'm making like homemade bacon bits. We're just going to mix that in with the asparagus and just like mix the asparagus with that and some butter and pop that back in the oven to melt the butter and also just to keep it warm. It just really makes like the best flavor. And we also use real butter. Like I highly recommend using real butter because it tastes just, it hits different. Now Mason just got done finishing the steaks on the pan. We're just going to wrap them up, and we like wrapping them up in individual aluminum foil and then letting them like rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Now I'm just taking out all the sides, and I'll be getting our plates ready here soon while the steak is resting. The reason why the steak rests, it just like tenderizes the meat. These look so good. I should add some bacon bits to this. And then of course I'm just going to add like a helping serving of both sides just because, you know, they're both bomb. I love anything vegetable related. Pop that back in the oven, keep it nice and warm. Are the steaks ready? Get the dogs roasting too.
It's hot, honey.
Good.
Potatoes.
Yeah, the potatoes are good and extra cheesy.
That came out.
Yeah, okay, well this is our dinner. We're gonna go eat. Thank you guys for cooking with us, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Goodbye. Good riddance.
Yum!